Hi, I'm Yannis, founder of Natty, and I'm here to introduce a product that's not just a beverage. It's a revolution in how we fuel the body and mind. Natty is the world's first rooibos-based energy tea, influenced with stable, high-performance creatine, and we're ready to shake up the market. Let's talk truth. The energy drink industry is flooded with products that give you a sugar rush, a caffeine spike, and then a crash. They're overhyped, overloaded, and underperforming. And then there's the supplement industry, where creatine, one of the most researched effective performance enhancers in the world, is stuck in powders and pills. The few creatine drinks that do exist, they're flawed. Creatine breaks down rapidly in liquid, losing its effectiveness long before it reaches the consumer. Bottom line, no one has figured out how to deliver fresh, bioavailable creatine in a convenient, ready-to-drink format, until now. Meet Natty, a rooibos-based iced tea infused with caffeine, BCAAs, vitamins, and our patent-pending creatine delivery system. Our innovation? The creatine is stored separately inside the can and only releases the moment it's opened. That means full potency, no degradation, maximum benefit. We're combining clean, natural ingredients with hard science and real results. Created for hybrid athletes, professionals, and everyday performers who want energy, clarity, and recovery in one go. This is not an energy drink. This is performance fuel. Natty has a rooibos base, which is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant rich, and proudly South African. It has just enough caffeine for clean focus, no jitters. There's also an option for no caffeine. BCAAs to support recovery and endurance, vitamins for health and immunity, and fresh creatine, fully active at the exact moment you drink it. There's no other product like this in the world. No sugar, no crash, no compromise. This is what the modern athlete and wellness warrior have been waiting for. The global functional beverage market is already worth $100 billion worldwide and is growing fast. Consumers want more than just a fizzy energy to eat. They want smart nutrition, trusted ingredients, and tangible performance benefits. And creatine is hot. It's already booming in supplements. We're the first to bring it to the ready-to-drink world, effectively, safely, and at scale. That's our first mover advantage. We would like to sell direct to consumer via online stores, through retail and at gyms, and also incorporate subscriptions and future products like the Natty Tea Bag. The product is developed, branding is locked in, and we've already got athletes, influencers, and supplement fans lining up to try it. We're raising R1 million to finalize our patent, ramp up production, drive digital marketing, and grow our team. Our revenue projections are R500,000 for year 1, 1.2 million for year 2, and 3 million plus for year 3. This is a high margin, scalable model, and we're ready to grow fast. Our vision is clear: to become South Africa's go-to performance tea brand and expand internationally. We're building a category-defining product. We're solving a problem no one else has solved, and we're doing it with the local ingredients, breakthrough technology, and a brand that speaks to a new generation. Natty is here, the movement is real, and this is your chance to invest early. Let's energize a nation, one can at a time. Thank you.